Man, this was a great place to camp. It was so peaceful. Got a little chilly, but it didn't get cold. You would think it would with, yeah, snow on the mountains right there. Yeah, I took my little e-bike out, Zippy, for a ride, and this is not good zippy terrain at all, so I'm going to turn around and go back to camp. We're going to load up, find someplace else to be tomorrow. Yep, our camp's up this road. I can't believe I took my van up this. Good times. All right, let's see where we end up today. She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again. We found another amazing spot. We're just at Purgatory Ski Resort. The ski runs are right over there. Trying to get a view of that, and there was one campsite, but it didn't have any shade, and we are really enjoying the shade. And the aspen grove across the street. The only bad part is when people drive by, the dust. That. It'll work though. Dust. Cool. So I'd say we found another really perfect spot. This is just beautiful. We're kind of situated over Purgatory ski area. I think we're at about 10,000 feet again, but we didn't die last night. In fact, it was quite lovely, so we thought we'd give it another shot tonight. Surrounded by aspen trees and pine trees. It's very, very lovely. So where we are, if you go up Purgatory Road and take a left on Hermosa and drive for a couple of 3 miles up this dirt road, that's where this spot is. On freecampsites.net, it lists another spot, probably another half a mile down the road, but there was no shade there, and so we opted for this one. It's just right off the road, but when people drive by, the wind's kind of blowing the other way, so we're not getting dusted this time. It's quite lovely. Anyway, I'm going to fly my drone a little bit, show you guys around, and maybe I'll take my bike out for a spin. Anyway, if you're ever in this area, I highly recommend exploring until you find a spot just like this. It's pretty perfect. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Stay lost, my friends. Go outside. Social distance. All right, later. Smoke me, aren't ya? Heck yeah, you're gonna smoke me. You're not even gonna slow down. Thanks for smoking me out. Yeah, I don't know if I want to keep going down this road or not. Alright, let's see if you can do this, Zippy. Now we go up. Come on, Zipness. Do her. Oh. Find your smooth spot. That's it. Do this one.